It's the official start of the new year, and with that comes resolutions that, quite honestly, most of us will probably break by February. But if you've exercised on your list of goals for this year, then I've got good news for you. Enter the jogger pant. What makes these pants so awesome and versatile is that you can wear them if you're actually, jogging, but also if not. So for example, when I'm running errands around town, and especially when I have miles, I love wearing these because they're super comfortable yet stylish. I prefer to add some height to mine with some high top sneakers and then balance out the slouchiness with a slight crop top. A nice large carry-all tote completes this look and keeps me and my essentials organized. For a ladies' night out or date night, all I have to do is literally swap out my blouse and accessories, grab my clutch, and I'm good to go. These pants pair great with high heel strappy sandals or even flat sandals, but on evenings when it's a little bit cooler like today, I prefer a classic black pump. I'm not suggesting you completely ditch your fitness goals, but if you happen to slip up from time to time, you don't have to be so hard on yourself with a great investment piece like these jogger pants. I'll be linking up a few of my favorites in the comments below, but if you have something you'd like to share, please comment below as well. Thanks for watching this video, and if you found it to be the least bit entertaining or helpful, I would love it for you to share with your fellow fashion-loving friends. And be sure to subscribe to our style guide for weekly tips, tricks, and inspiration direct to your inbox. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon.